Hello everyone, this is Winston, and today is very interesting day. We have stocks went up a lot because oil is down, released the pressure from the stock market. But stock didn't act very strong today, so there's something going on underlying. Now let's check it out. This stock today, you see overnight very strong. Very strong to the open and kind of consolidate, and then Nvidia released the news that their revenue next year gonna be $1 trillion. That's crazy. But what's happened here? Why is going down? Why is going down? And even lower before the news came out. Overnight, stocks right now at the low of day, so not very good so far. The Russell is the one up the most, but right now down the most. But and then here's why I said it's very weak. So the whole let me clean it up. Okay, the whole Dow trend. Some people argue is because of the higher oil price, because of oil shock. And we will talk about oil just a second, but oil today is down a lot. So from up like 2% to down 6%. So a range of 7% is down a lot, right? So you would think stock would behave stronger than, but it's up from the close of Friday to the high today on 2%. And if we count the close, almost 1%. Very weak. That's what Russell. How about Nasdaq? Yep, 1%. Look at the oil overnight and to the bottom. Which one is the bottom? Okay, so oil dropped almost 10%. Yeah, oil dropped almost 10%, but stock up 1%. Would you think it would up more than that? Because do you remember right now the consensus is market is so resilient. They just wait for the oil to go back down and stock will go to the moon. And then now overnight oil kind of go back up and stock already not very happy. The high yield ETF on last Monday was up here, and on Friday is down here, so it went out a lot. But SP 500 we are still hanging out in this box. So the liquidity or the credit is somewhat secretly and quietly dry up, especially in the high yield. Some people said it is a leading indicator, and when it's go down first, the market will follow suit. Yeah, I see. Right now everything seems still fine. Alright, so on the screen we have Japanese yen. Here's what interesting me. First of all, the position, it is so crowded short. Everyone is shorting yen. Yen is like the weakest currency of the world right now, and just short yen and be rich. That's the position. That's the sentiment. It's right now at support. So I buy a little bit, not much, because we didn't have the news failure yet to front run the news failure. So that's why I bought very tiny amount. The rock star of the day is Bitcoin. Remember I said it needs to break out the box. It is breaking out right now. It tried, failed, no problem. I said it's very expect to be fail the first try, and right now is higher than this high, and this look like it's breaking out. Hell yeah, hopefully it's go up like this. Yeah, and then go back here to test the box, and then go straight to the moon. Happy for crypto brothers. Yeah, Ethereum absolute monster. The box is right here. Yeah, I think this is a proper breakout than Bitcoin, but we take it. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I think the market right now is they fighting but also waiting for the big catalyst coming up real soon. I'm kind of feel it. I think the market will be very volatile in April, May, and June. Let's see how things developing. Let's set. Alright, see you guys soon.